Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the OE error code on your Kenmore washer in 2026. Now, this OE error code indicates a drain error, meaning the washer is unable to pump out the water during the cycle. So let's walk through it step by step. So in order to fix it, first of all, you just have to open your washer and check for any remaining water in the drum. If the machine is full of water, you must first drain it manually. For that, you can just simply use a bucket and the small emergency drain hose, which is located behind the access panel at the bottom front of the machine. After doing so, you just have to simply locate the drain hose at the back of the washer. Just ensure that the hose is not kinked, twisted, or flattened against the wall. So if the hose here is pinched, the pump will not have enough power to push the water through. That is going to basically trigger the OE error code. Now you can also check the drain filter or the coin trap. So you can just simply open the access panel at the bottom of the washer and unscrew the circuit filter cap by turning it counterclockwise. Just be prepared for some water to leak out. So you need to clean out any lint, coins or debris caught inside the filter and rinse it under warm water. After that, you can finalize the process by reinserting the filter cap and tightening it securely. So you can try these easy fixes and see if it is working properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.